Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to integrate banner slider in Shopify Dawn theme. Let's get started. So you can actually do this in any theme that you have, but for now, we'll talk about Dawn theme. So I have this right here. Let's head over and click on Customize, and then this will open the Shopify editor for me. So as you can see, we have here this actual home page. So if you want to add a banner slider, what you can do is you can actually head over and then click on this add section right here. Now, on this ad section, you should be able to see this slideshow right here. So this slideshow is actually a banner slider that you can use. So click on the slideshow. And then in here, as you can see, the slideshow has been added. So when you click on it, you should be able to just choose the layout for this. It can be full width, it can be grid, or it can be anything that you want. You can also change the slide height. For me, I'll just make it small. So once you have done that, you can head back. And then you can see we have this slide right here, which is our first slide. So let's click on the select image right here, and then let's head over and select an image. So I will just upload this image right here and click on done. And then as you can see, it's been added right here. So on the heading, let's just make this right this. And also for the subheading, let's just put a space on that, as well as a button label right here. And then you can also put in here some few more things. Like for example, we have this right here, right? So if you want to remove it, you can actually just remove it if you want, if ever. So the next thing we can do is we can actually upload another slide, which is this image slide right here. Let's click on this one. Now let's click on select image as well. Let's just use the actual method that we had earlier. And then let's just remove the heading, as well as the subheading, as well as the button label right here. So when you try to actually slide, we should be able to see that we have in here our actual slideshow for this one. So the next thing we can do is we can actually head over and then we can add another slide if we want. So if you think that 2 slides is not enough, we can click this add slide right here in order to add another image slide to your banner slider. So once you have done that, head over and click on save. And then it will be saved on your actual online store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like, below, or subscribe, like on the task to reach more people. See you soon.